Bruh, she's so comfy. Why though? Help me, this cat is so spoiled. Now in my next video, I'm going to do effects that my freaking viewers might like. And I haven't done this in like more than a year. So y'all better wonder. But why have I not made a video in a long time? Well, you know that my cat's yawning. Anyways, you know that one where I was in the white room and like you heard people talking and I did the Minecraft rush? Well, that's my foster care visit. I was in foster care, so that's why I didn't do that much more. Anyways, that's when I was in foster care. But now I'm out of foster care, so yeah. Minecraft rush, bro. I'm going to do effects that my viewers might like. Again, part 3. In my next video, which is after I make this one.